Merry Christmas! It's been a very long time since we recorded for the Twin Chefs because we try to keep up with our studies. But today, we want to make something for you guys that is extra special because Christmas is near. Today, we're going to make cornbread waffles. The ingredients that we're going to make this wonderful recipe is 1.5 cup of barley flour, any other flour that you desire, a 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of cornmeal. And also you need a sprinkle of salt, a squirt of oil, 2 eggs, and 1 cup of milk. So the first thing we're going to do is put all the ingredients except for the milk. So we're going to put 1 squirt of oil, and we're going to put the 2 eggs. And then we're going to mix. Also, we have to add a sprinkle of salt. And we're going to put the sugar. And now we're going to mix. Okay, so now our wet ingredients, except for the milk, look like this. So now we're going to put our cornmeal, and we're going to gradually put our flour. So cornmeal. And I'm going to mix. And I'll gradually put the flour. And if it gets too thick, we're going to gradually put milk. Okay, since it's getting really thick, we're going to put a little bit of milk. This way. I'm gradually adding my flour. Okay, so our batter is done and it looks so beautiful. The last thing that we have to put is our baking powder. We're going to put 1 teaspoon. One thing that I have to clarify is that we have a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and a 1/2 cup of cornmeal and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So we finished mixing, and so now I'm going to put a little bit of cinnamon so it can taste and smell amazing. Sorry, I just love cinnamon so much. It smells so amazing. It's perfect for Christmas. We are done. So how it looks like, batter. It's not supposed to be thick like a dough or thin like water thin. It's supposed to be like batter thin, like not too thick or not too thin, like just right. So now we're done. So we are warming up our waffle iron, and then we're going to put it in. Okay, so now our waffle iron is heated up and ready to be made. And now we're going to put our waffle batter in here. So my waffle iron is ready. So now I'm going to put my waffle batter in there. Okay, so now my waffle is cooking, and when the waffle iron beads are let's see how our waffle will look like. So now my waffle is ready, and I'm gonna open it up. Now my waffle is ready, and I'm gonna open it up and see how it looks like. Wow, it looks so amazing. Okay, so look at our waffles. They're so amazing. We're done. And they smell amazing too. So now we're gonna put some toppings. You can put like any toppings. You can put fruits, you can put chocolates, you can put anything. But we're gonna put strawberries and whipped cream. So I'm gonna start decorating my strawberries. Like I said before, you can put blueberries. You can put anything you want. Just make it festive and you can enjoy it. Here. It looks perfect. Okay, so my sister is almost done with it. Now we are gonna put our whipped cream. Wow, it looks so amazing. And then we're gonna put the syrup around it. It looks so delicious. Okay, so these cornbread waffles are the best waffles you can eat in Christmas. Share it, make it, enjoy it, savor it. It's the best waffles to make in Christmas time. So, thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this video, and Merry Christmas! And don't forget to subscribe and share and like. And remember, don't just watch this video, make it. Bye! We love